Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve this problem movie rating. This problem has three tables. First table is movies. It has two columns, movie ID, title. Movie ID is the primary key of this table. Title is the title of the movie. Next, users ID, users. So this table has two columns, user ID, name. User ID is the primary key. Name is the username of the users. Next table is movie rating. It has four columns: movie ID, user ID, rating. That is the rating of that movie. And created is the column which has dates. Um, for this will have dates on which the user ID has rated a particular movie. Okay. And for this table, movie ID and user ID are primary key together. So because one user can rate many movies, one movie can rate many users, one movie can be rated by many users. So together movie ID and user ID is the primary key. Now the question is, find the name of user who has rated greatest number of movies. In case of a tie, return the lexicographically smaller username. So the first part of the question, find the name of the user who has rated greatest number of movies. This can be solved easily using the user ID column. I can just count the user ID for each user. Then I can search who has the highest number of count. That user that means has rated highest number of movies because that user has been in this table highest number of times. That means that user has rated the movie highest number of times. Okay. In case of a tie, return the lexicographically smaller username. So if I join this table with users table, I will get the name, and from the name, I can order the name and find the lexicographically smaller one. Lexicographically smaller means alphabetically smaller. In a dictionary, A will come before B will come before C. So A is lexicographically smaller than B. Now, the second table. Find the movie name with highest average rating in February 2020. So for this question, I have to first filter the whole data by this condition, February 2020. So if I put this condition on the created at column, I will get those movies which of rating, those movies with rating on February 2020. Okay. And then after I have filtered the data, I can easily group by movie ID and put the rating column inside the average function, and I can get the highest. If I order the table, I will get the highest average. Okay. In case of a tie, return the lexicographically smaller. Again, similar type of problem. I will join this table with movies table. I will find the movie title. Then I will do a order by and I get the answer. So I hope we have understood the approach to solve this problem. Let us understand it furthermore by seeing the example. So input table, there are three tables here. Three movies are there. Four users are there. So all the movies are here in the movies rating table. All the users are also here. Rating is given. Okay, this is a created table. Now for the first question, which user has rated highest number of movies? So find the count of user ID. User ID 1 is 1, 2, 3 times. User ID 2 is 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. User ID 3 is 1, 2 times, and user ID 4 is only 1 times. So user ID 1 and 2 is highest number of times, 3 times. So I will go to the users table, 1 and 2, Daniel and Monica. In the dictionary, Daniel will come before Monica. So Daniel is lexicographically smaller. So I will return Daniel. Now, for the second question, average rating. So I will delete this. I will not consider. I will filter the whole table by this created. So I will not consider January. January I will not consider. Again March I will not consider. I will consider this February. February, and this to February. For this two, what is the movie? Movie is movie ID 1, right? This two, movie ID 1. So rating is only 4 and 2. Average will be 3. 6 plus 6 by 2, 3. Similarly, for these two rows, okay, okay, February movie ID is same 2, the average will be what, 5 so 7, 3.5. Again for these two, movie I have filtered February. These two are February. Then this is the movie ID 3. The rating is 3 and 4. 3 plus 4, 7 by 2, 3.5. So this movie ID 3 and 2 have 3.5 average rating, and movie ID 1 has 3 only. Movie ID 1 has only 3. So movie ID 2 and 3 has the highest rating, 3.5. So I will go to the movies table. Movie ID 3 and 2. Frozen and Joker. So in dictionary, Frozen will come before Joker. So I will return Frozen 2. Okay. So this is the output. I hope you have understood the example also. Now go, you can try to solve this problem. By trying to solve it yourself, you will get a better understanding of this problem. So go to movies rating at SQL. Sorry, go to SQL and find the movies rating problem and try to solve it yourself. After you have solved, and if you found any difficulty solving, then come back here. I will be solving with you. Now I'm going to solve using CT. So first I will write with CT as I will select the user ID and the count of user ID. Suppose as from the group by one. So if I see what this table will return, select, it is easily understood what this table will return, right? For each user ID, I will return the count of user ID. Okay. So I will select the user name now. U dot user, or what is the proper column name for this name, only name, right? Name from the users. Join the city. So I need to order by here. Order by what? The count. Okay. C dot count. I need to do a descending order. And for lexicographically, I need to do the ascending. Ascending is the default, so I will not write ascending. And I need to return the first observation, first row, limit 1. So if I run this query now, so runtime error, is the movie rating does not exist. Movie rating. Okay, this is movie rating, not movies rating. This is wrong answer, but I got Daniel. So I need the Daniel. Okay, so this part is okay. I hope you have understood. If you have any difficulty, so now that for the next question, I am going to again write another city. Select, I need the movie ID here. I need the average of rating as suppose rating only. Okay, from the movie rating. Okay, from the movie rating. I need to do a group by also. So this table will give me what? Movie ID and average of average spelling wrong. Average of each movie. But I need to do a filter also because the question is filter the data by February 2020. So how to filter this? Using a where clause, where created at will look like what? February 2020. So 2020 to February. So date can be anything. I can write this wildcard symbol percentage. Okay. So now this table will give me the movie ID and average rating of all the movies in the movie rating table, whose dates are created at, okay, whose dates are uh, on February. Okay. So, mm, so how to do this? Now I can. This will give me one result. Okay. This will give me one result. With this result, I can do a union. Union, select what I need to select. Movies, right? Movies name title, right? M the title. M the title from the movies. And I have to join the city to join the city to on the M dot movie ID, right? The city dot movie ID. Then I have to do a order by. I have to order by what? C2 dot average rating, right? Only rating. Rating. I have to do the descending order. And for the title, I have to do ascending one. Okay. And I am going to return the first row. So limit one. Okay. So if I do this, this will give me the result, but the output is what? Results. So here I have to write as results. Results. Okay. And I have to do a union all, not union, because if the name and the title is same, for that case, I will get only one output, but I need two. So if they are also same, name and title is are same also, then also I need to mention the same name twice. Union will consider will not union will not consider duplicate entries. So I will use union all. So I hope this query will give me the correct result. Okay, accepted. Let us run submit the answer. And this got accepted, although it beat only 60. Let me resubmit it. Okay, so the percentage is higher now. But the code part, if I do not write union all here, right? So if I remove union all here, so there will be a problem. See, when the movie title is Rebecca, user ID is also Rebecca, and only one movie and one user ID is there. Okay, so this should return the expected is Rebecca, the first user Rebecca, and the movie is also Rebecca. But union will consider only one Rebecca. It is because union will not return the duplicate entries. So it will only return Rebecca once. So to avoid this condition, we are going to use union all. Okay. So now if I submit, again beats this. Let me resubmit. I hope 90% above beats 90% above. Come on, still 84. I don't know why. Sometimes this same code beats this by 95 point. 5%. Okay, so I hope you have understood the query. It is a lengthy one, but I will not consider it as a difficult problem. Why? Because it is merging two small easy problems. It is merging two easy problems to give this title a medium level problem. But I will consider this lengthy easy. This is lengthy. Okay, but the concepts are very easy concepts. Okay, there is no window functions here. Okay, so I hope you have understood the problem. And if you have still any doubt regarding this solution, you can comment it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.